Hi, today we're going to go around Phitsanulok. Phitsanulok is a northern city in Thailand, and we're here in Phitsanulok in a beautiful neighborhood, and we will go around looking at the best attractions of Phitsanulok. Today we're headed towards Sakunothayan Falls, and that's in the Nakhon Thai district of Phitsanulok. It's actually in a national park, so it should be very interesting. On the way we shall stop for some food and also look at maybe a museum or two if we have time. But right now it's around 2 o'clock, it's afternoon. As you can see, it's very sunny, so we'll try to go there as soon as possible. So how are we going to go there? The best way is to get a bike on rent, a rental bike. And here's my bike. I got this bike for bike rental from a bike rental called Anusan, and it cost me about 100 baht a day. So it's cheap, it's reliable, it's a good bike. As you can see, it's a 110cc, it's called Honda Race, and we should use this bike to go around. The journey from here where I am, which is close to Naresuan University, to Sakunothayan Falls is about 53 kilometers. It should take about an hour for us to get there. So let's get started and enjoy the beautiful journey. Okay, so here we go. Sakunothayan waterfalls. We just entered, that's the water side. So we go this way through the beautiful rainforest all the way up to the waterfall. Okay. So here we are at the Sakunothayan waterfalls, and this is where we parked the bike, and we shall walk from here. Okay, thank you. Hi, so here we are inside the Sakunothayan waterfalls, and as soon as you enter, this is a walkway that we go to the waterfall, and we're just here. Let's walk up further. Look here. On the water's edge, natural. Stand there. Okay, here at the water's edge, Sakunothayan waterfall at last. Okay, people are having fun. Today is also the Thung festival, the water festival celebrated in all Buddhist countries. Have a look. So where is the waterfall? Okay, I think the waterfalls are right there. We'll walk up to the waterfalls. Okay, here, the terrain here looks very rocky, and if you see, it looks like another planet almost. How the water cuts through this big mountain. Okay. So here we are in the water and walking at beautiful, this is Mount River, and that's where the water falls, but this is the upstream. Let's go upstream. Oh, I'm at the edge of a rock and I'm going to get deeper into the water and deeper. Feeling the waters are tight. Okay then. We are going to go further up the stream. Okay.